I'm gonna show you what I'm doing to my C10 here. I'm changing out the rocker panels, all the rusted areas. I started already drilling out some of it. I think I'm mostly disconnected on the top here. I just gotta get underneath here and do this bottom area here, and then I'll be able to pull this rocker panel out. And I got the new one right here, and see if it fits in there pretty. You see these hole saws for drilling out spot welds. It works a lot better if you drill a little hole in the center of the spot weld, and then this little needle will hold in there. But if you go really slow, it'll work too, but sometimes it jumps around. The other thing is this screw right here. If you tighten this screw up real good, it makes this thing tighter, so when you can push harder and it'll hold longer. So, or it'll hold stronger. So if it's really loose, this thing's really loose, then it'll just kind of bounce around. But if you have it tight, that means you're pushing real hard to push it down for this drill bit to start catching. So there's a bunch of spot welds along here, along there, and then all along the bottom here. There's some here that I gotta get out, and there's these ones here, and all these along here. So this is really rusted out, so some of them you can't even see them at all, but some are just breaking right out because they're rusted. So. Look at that. All right out. So all this got to come out too. I gotta cut this piece out, place it. And I got this cap corner. This piece got to come out. So, when you're ordering these pieces, if you've got to replace this back, you know, a couple inches here, it's better just to order the whole piece. This piece here. So it comes with, I mean, it's the whole piece. So it's this piece, and this piece. So they show, you'll see this piece and this piece on their sites, but if you order those and then this, you don't need this piece and this piece. So just order this whole piece. It's better, because more than likely you're gonna need to replace back to here anyway on most of these trucks. And then I went ahead and ordered this piece here and this piece here because I figured they might be rusted out, and look, they are. But if you order through LMC, I don't know about Brothers, but LMC, they'll let you return the parts within a year for free. You just got to pay your shipping. So I think it's worth it to just order this piece, this piece, this piece, and your rocker panel if you think you need it, and then just send it back. Because if you have to reorder anyways, you pay one shipping cost for everything, or you know what I mean, or you're gonna have to pay multiple if you order each part individually anyway. So alright, so let's put this rocker panel, let's kind of put it on there, see how it fits. It's okay so far. I made a mark here. So over here, I kind of seen this problem with other people, their videos. You'll have to kind of readjust this area here, maybe cut like here, kind of bend it out and stuff. And then as far as up. As far as this piece, as far as that goes, that seems to fit okay. Right here, it's not too bad. But if I push it all the way in, it's a little bit of a space there. So might have to, when you bring this in here, let's see, you might be able to adjust some of it with the cap corner when you put it in, and then may just have to knock this in here. Although it's pretty good, so you could probably just go ahead and, when I put that piece in, tack this in, and then try to match this cab corner up when I put it in. It's not a huge difference, but it might be enough to make a huge, you know, noticeable gap. But also seam-sealer will cover up that gap a little bit too, so might not be that big a deal. So, so this is a little tight here. I might be able to just tap this piece forward a little bit and allow it to slide this way more, and it might make this drop in a little better. So I think I need to put a brace in here, maybe up and down and stuff. I'm not sure. I'll have to look and see. But when I go to cut out this floor pan, I'm gonna cut it out, pretty much all this right here, where it's all rusted. So I think I need to put a brace in here, make sure it doesn't move anywhere. Alright. See you on the next video.